Real estate can seem like a complex world with all its terminology and strategies, but once you understand the fundamentals, you'll see how it can become a profitable venture. Whether you're looking to invest for the first time or just want to understand the basics, this video is for you. We'll break down the essential terms, concepts, and strategies to help you get started the right way. Hey there, and welcome to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe because we bring you valuable insights on finance, investing, and wealth building. Today, we're diving into real estate for beginners. Everything you need to know to start making money in real estate. So, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to navigate the real estate market. Let's jump in. Section 1. Understanding property types. Before you dive into real estate investing, you need to understand the different types of properties available. Choosing the right property type can significantly impact your success and profitability. Single-family homes, SFH. These are standalone homes meant for a single family. They're the most common type of residential property and are often the starting point for investors because they're easier to manage and finance. Pros: high demand, easier resale, low maintenance. Cons: only one tenant means one stream of income. Duplexes: a single building split into two separate units. Each unit has its own entrance, making it an excellent option for house hacking, living in one unit while renting out the other. Pros: dual rental income, lower vacancy risk. Cons: requires more management than SFHs. Townhouses and condos. These are part of a larger complex and often come with shared amenities like pools and gyms. They can be great investment properties but come with association fees. Pros: lower maintenance, desirable locations. Cons: HOA fees, less control over renovations. Multifamily properties. These include triplexes, fourplexes, and apartment buildings with multiple units, offering higher rental income but also requiring more management. Pros: multiple income streams, high cash flow potential. Cons: higher upfront costs, more tenant management. Knowing the differences between these properties helps you determine what kind of investment best suits your goals. Section 2. Understanding mortgages and equity. Now that we know the types of properties, let's talk about financing and equity, two crucial parts of real estate investing. What is a mortgage? A mortgage is a loan from the bank that helps you buy a property. Instead of paying the full price up front, you make monthly payments that cover the loan amount plus interest. The bank requires a down payment, usually between 3% and 20% of the property's price. Example: if you buy a $150,000 home with a 10% down payment, $15,000, the bank lends you the remaining $135,000. This loan comes with an interest rate, determining how much extra you'll pay over time. What is equity? Equity is the difference between what a home is worth and what you owe on it. Example: if your home is worth $200,000 but you owe $135,000, your equity is $65,000. Equity is powerful because it increases your net worth and can be leveraged for future investments. Section 3. The concept of rental income. One of the most popular ways to make money in real estate is through rental income. Lease versus rent. Leasing or renting a property means allowing someone else to live in it while they pay you monthly. Example: if your mortgage payment is $800 and you rent the property for $1,000, you make $200 in cash flow every month. Over time, this cash flow adds up, helping you pay off your mortgage and generate passive income. Section 4. Understanding PITI, principal, interest, taxes, insurance. Your mortgage payment isn't just about paying back the bank, it also includes other costs. Principal: the amount you borrowed and are paying back. Interest: the bank's charge for lending you money. Taxes: property taxes that the government collects. Insurance: home insurance to protect against damages or accidents. Together, These make up your PITI payment, which you must consider when calculating your real estate expenses. Section 6. Real estate as a long-term investment. Real estate isn't just about quick profits. It's also a great long-term investment strategy. Appreciation. Over time, property values tend to increase. Passive income. Rental properties provide steady income each month. Tax benefits. Real estate investors can take advantage of tax deductions on mortgage interest, property depreciation, and repairs. Wealth building. Owning multiple properties increases your overall wealth and financial security. Section 6. Real estate as a long-term investment. Real estate isn't just about quick profits. It's also a great long-term investment strategy. Appreciation. Over time, property values tend to increase. Passive income. Rental properties provide steady income each month. Tax benefits. Real estate investors can take advantage of tax deductions on mortgage interest, property depreciation, and repairs. Wealth building. Owning multiple properties increases your overall wealth and financial security. Section 7. Real estate investment strategies. Beyond buying and holding properties, there are other strategies investors use to maximize profits. Fix and flip, buying distressed properties, renovating them, and selling them for a profit. Wholesaling, securing properties at a discount and selling contracts to other investors. rhriaj, real estate investment trusts. Investing in real estate without owning physical properties by buying shares in a real estate fund. Short-term rentals, renting properties on platforms like Airbnb for higher nightly rates. Now you have a solid foundation in real estate investing. We've covered property types, mortgages, equity, rental income, PITI payments, and different investment strategies. If you're serious about getting started, here's what you can do next. Research your local real estate market. Start saving for a down payment. Learn about financing options. Look for properties with good cash flow and equity potential. Keep learning and watching our videos for more insights. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone looking to learn about real estate investing. Also, check the description for helpful resources to guide you on your real estate journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.